Hi guys, Mary here with US Global Investors. Welcome back to part 4 of our video series, How to Invest: A Beginner's Guide. Last week we talked about 2 ways you can invest your money, stocks and bonds. Not quite ready to pick your own stocks or bonds? That's okay. Another way to invest is with mutual funds. A mutual fund turns the stock and bond picking over to the professionals, or in this case, a fund manager. Investing in a mutual fund allows you to purchase a basket of stocks. Another way to invest in a basket of securities, rather than a single stock or bond, is with an ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund. ETFs have the diversification benefits of a mutual fund, but they can be traded on an exchange just like a stock. Unlike a mutual fund, which is actively managed, ETFs are typically passive. That means they follow an index of stocks or bonds. Now that you have some of the basic investment vehicles to consider, go out there and do a little research. Be sure that you understand the risk-reward profile of each one. The more you educate yourself, the more confident you'll feel putting your money to work. To be notified when we post a new video on this ongoing series, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel below. You can also learn more at usfunds.com. Happy investing!